Hello and happy holidays. I'm here to give you some personal year-end tax tips. Some of these have to be completed before December 31st for you to be able to have the deduction in the current year. Others you do have until April 15th. Have you taken all your retirement deductions? For many of them, you have until April 15th to make your contributions into your retirement plans to have them deductible in the 2022 tax year. So remember to make your charitable savings, not your charitable, your retirement savings contributions. The next one is charitable deductions. If there's any organization you wish to make a charitable donation to, do it before the end of the year. Make sure to do this by check, money order, Venmo, PayPal. You need to have some receipt that you've made a charitable contribution. If you're donating items, household clothing, you will need a receipt from the organization. You can find online, many organizations will have fair market value of items you've donated. Track these throughout the year and you will be surprised how much value your charitable donations have. Have you maxed out your HSA accounts? Or have you set up college funds for your children? These educational funds can be contributed to and deducted on your Pennsylvania return. They can also grow tax-free, and as long as you use them for educational expenses, they remain tax-free on withdrawal. If you have a business and you plan to buy new equipment at the beginning of the year, why not buy it now before the end of the year so that you can get the tax savings in the current 2022 tax year? Use any of your flexible spending accounts. Some will not be carried over. Try to increase tax-free income. You can invest in tax-free bonds, securities. You want to make sure they are what we call triple tax-free. If you live in Philadelphia, you want them to be tax-free federal, state, and Philadelphia. Certain dividends and investments are taxable to the city of Philadelphia. Keep track of your medical expenses. Sometimes the threshold for medical expenses can be high, but you never know if you're going to have a catastrophic illness or medical expense throughout the year. You always want to track these medical expenses. If you have any losing investments, we've seen the market go down, dump them before the end of the year. Now you only get a $3,000 passive loss deduction in each year. So make sure that you take advantage of that if you have any losing investments. Stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel, and I will continue to give you some tax tips. Me and you will see our tax cat who gives perfect tax advice. Happy holidays, and we're going to be closed until January 2nd. We look forward to seeing you in the new year.